What's up, YouTube? We're back at another video for our last go-kart shop. Yesterday, me and my dad were driving to go get food, and as we were driving, we found this cool little engine. I'm pretty sure it's like a Craftsman or something. Can't exactly tell, but from how this one looks, it has like the same shape and everything. So I'm kind of thinking it's like a Craftsman or like a Briggs & Stratton or something. Maybe it's a Cubsa. I'm not exactly sure. If you haven't already, this is my shop. My toolbox. I don't know what this is. I have to organize this whole little area here. And then this is just like engines I have. So this is older Honda GX240. There, you can see that. We've kind of been using it for spare parts for my go-kart. That's a little bit of oil. That's leakage. This used to be an old snow blower engine, 6 horse, I think. And then I built this engine from pretty much scratch. And there was another engine I built from scratch, but I don't exactly know where that one went. Oh, that's over here. Here it is. And I built this one from scratch. You can't exactly see it. Here, let me grab my flashlight. So it's kind of good. And then I got engines back there. Like they're just I have a lawnmower engine back there. I kind of just have engines all over the place. So yeah, let's get started with the review for this one. So this is how I found it. It's not bad. It has a lot of sawdust all over it. I like the American flag. The muffler's pretty cool. I like how that is. I don't exactly know what it was used for. It has to be something, or was under something that was used for like cutting, because this is wood sawdust. This is the dipstick, which whoever owned this definitely did a good job of emptying it out before he gave it away. There. He prefabbed the gas tank, or fabricated gas tank mount, which is kind of nice. It sits on there pretty good. I pulled this out yesterday. It's pretty rusty, so I didn't get a good look in there. It's not bad, just really dirty. So I'll clean that out then. Or maybe just put a new gas tank on. I think I might use like one in over here. I got some good ones in here. I'll just fab. Like this one I built myself. I mean the engine was already built, but I made this. I made this. And I made this. This is a heat shield so that the gas fuel line doesn't get burnt by the muffler, and it goes straight in the carburetor, so it kind of has to wrap around. It doesn't have a fuel pump, so it has to go with gravity. That is a Craftsman. This is a Craftsman front, but I think the back of it is like a Tecumseh or something. Somehow it fits, which is good. If it was a Craftsman, it would probably have this with the spark plug. So this could be a newer or an older model. Not exactly sure. It's probably older. But it does turn over. So let's check that out. Hold on. Let me do that. Alright. So it does turn over, which is really good. It does have a kink in the gas line, so I will have to fix that. So let's get started taking this apart. In the series, I'm gonna do a little series for this. Next episode will be me taking it apart and like cleaning it. Like I'm gonna redo the gas tank. Probably, yeah. We'll look in there for a new gas tank. I like the dipstick, and we're definitely gonna have to clean this out, the carburetor. And then we'll find an air filter, something that fits. I think I might have some air filters in here. I do. Oh, that's extra tires. So you need to move that. Alright. So in here, we'll just find one that works. And that's what we'll use. So we'll slide that back in. That goes there. And if we had to, these are other carburetors that I've collected over the years. I have a clutch here, torque converter. I think I have a few mufflers and stuff back there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode, which will be taking it apart. See ya. Thanks.